Understanding Theocracy, a dive into political systems. Hello, English learners. Today, we are diving into a fascinating aspect of political systems, theocracy. This term might sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together, and by the end of this video, you'll have a strong understanding of what it means and how it's used in the realm of government and politics. Theocracy is a type of government system where religious leaders rule in the name of God, or a group of gods. The word theocracy comes from two Greek words, theos, meaning God, and kratos, meaning power or rule. So, quite literally, a theocracy is a rule by God, or the gods. This system merges government and religion, in stark contrast to secular governments where church and state are separate. There are numerous examples of theocracies throughout history and even in the modern world. For instance, ancient Egypt was a theocracy, where pharaohs were believed to be gods on earth. In today's world, Iran is a notable example of a theocracy. It's ruled by a supreme leader who is a high-ranking cleric in the country's Shia Islam tradition. Now that we understand theocracy, let's practice using it in a sentence. 1. Example sentence. Unlike a democracy where power rests with the people, in a theocracy, religious leaders hold the highest authority. And that wraps up our discussion on theocracy. This is an important concept in understanding different political systems around the world. The term may be a bit complex, but now you know what it means, and you can confidently use it in your academic or professional discussions about government and politics. Keep practicing, and remember, language learning is a journey. Keep exploring, and I'll see you in our next video.